great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Acadia Denali. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Acadia. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with 2 auto express windows, the child lock button, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, the programmable memory seat, the power liftgate button where we're able to set that to maximum opening, 3/4 or turn it right off, and a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the telescopic steering wheel button, heads-up display button, lighting controls, and the park brake. All-weather floor mats on the floor, power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, Denali embroidery in both headrests, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio buttons. Here we have the driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, OnStar, and a place to store your sunglasses. Here we have the rear view mirror camera. We're able to change the view back to normal by flicking that switch at the bottom of the screen. This is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, the park reverse drive buttons, some USB ports and power plug-ins, the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Auto stop start, traction control, hazard lights, park assist, heated and cooled front leather seats, lane departure alert, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, sport mode, and off-road mode. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is our front camera, LED headlamps, fog lights, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood. Side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. Roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access or keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Remote start, the rear window wiper, and a power lift gate. I'm going to pop that open using our key fob, pushing that button twice. In the trunk, we've got the tethers to fold the 3rd row seating down, a power plug-in, cargo hooks, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 6-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, a cup holder, door storage, and a door speaker. All-weather floor liners on the floor. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has the rear climate control buttons, heated rear seats, a 120-volt power plug-in, some USB ports, and a cup holder storage compartment down below. A rear sunroof. To gain access to the 3rd row, use the center aisle or pull the lever on the top of the seat to engage the slide technology. The 3rd row has 2 additional seats, cup holders on either side, as well as USB ports. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Acadia Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at Western GMC Buick Infotainment.com.